Welcome! In this video, we will guide you step by step through the installation of the EPSON SureColor V1070 printer. Before we begin, choose a well-ventilated area with stable temperature and humidity. Avoid direct sunlight and heat sources. Ensure you have all of the necessary components included in the box. For safety, lifting the printer requires 3 people. Hold the designated points and lift simultaneously to prevent injury. Next, remove all protective packaging, including any tape inside and outside the printer. Next, remove the transportation supports. Open the maintenance cover and place the caution label for your language over the English label if necessary. Close the maintenance cover and then close the printer cover. Next, attach the handle cover. Connect the power cord to the back of the printer and plug the other end into an outlet, but do not connect the printer to a computer just yet. Press the power button to turn on the printer. Follow the on-screen instructions to set your language, date, and time. Now, install the front air filter. Press How To and follow the instructions on the touchscreen. When finished, press Done. Remove the protective material. Wait for the gantry to move forward, then follow the instructions on the touchscreen. When finished, press Complete. Next, install the rear air filter. Press How To and follow the instructions on the touchscreen. When finished, press Done. Insert the cleaning ink supply units securely into their designated slots. Press How To and follow the instructions on the touchscreen. Position the ink charging tool and start flushing the ink system. Press How To and follow the instructions on the touchscreen. Press Yes to start flushing the ink tubes. Install the tray attachments. Press How To and follow the instructions on the touchscreen. When finished, press OK. Install the ink packs. Press How To and follow the ink shaking instructions. Shake each ink pack thoroughly before inserting it. Note: do not shake the Varnish ink pack. When finished, press OK. Repeat this step when using the second white ink pack. When finished, press OK. Follow on-screen prompts to lock and unlock the ink charging tool. Once completed, carefully remove the ink charging tool and place it in the provided plastic bag, then dispose of it properly. Remember, you can always press How To on the display screen to watch detailed, animated instructions. Next, download the latest software from EPSON's official support website. Run the setup program and follow the instructions to complete the installation. Ensure there are no error messages on the touchscreen and confirm that the printer is ready for use. Your EPSON SureColor V1070 is now set up and ready to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and visit lexjet.com for more tips and support.